Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a 2013 Ram 4.7, and then I will show you that is it actually worth buying one in 2023, and then should you buy the 4.7, the 3.6, or the 5.7. So this is the Trademan version, so you don't have anything special on the front, you just have the regular Ram headlights, and you have a plastic bumper instead of the metal ones. It does have those custom rims on there, which does look nice. So this is the 8-foot bed option. So you have a ton of storage back here, and you also have a trailer hitch as well, and you also have your connections for your trailer brake lights and the brake controls. So this is rated to tow up to 7,500, but I wouldn't really recommend this for towing because we did towing on it before, and then it's not as good as the 5.7. So under the hood you have the Dodge 4.7 liter naturally aspirated V8. This puts out 310 horsepower and then 330 pound-feet of torque, which is paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. So we did towing on this before, and then so we towed like close to like 6K. I mean it was okay, it wasn't that bad, but it didn't really really didn't perform that good as it was supposed to. Like constantly lagged, and then it did require a lot of gas for it to. I mean of course you're towing, but this fuel economy is actually worse than the 5.7 somehow. And then in towing, of course, it's not that good. So if you're gonna buy one for towing, then please don't buy this and then just go with the 5.7. I mean, this is a better towing with the 3.6, but the 3.6 gets a better fuel economy. So starting with the interior, I mean, this is the Trademan version. So you don't get anything special either. You just have normal plastic dash all the way through. I mean, you do have some padded leather over here, but this is also padded, but this is also plastic right over here. So normally the normal Ram comes with those smaller, I believe the 3-inch cluster, but in this one we did a total upgrade with the 8-inch cluster, and then also with the 8.4 with CarPlay, which is also OEM. So here's the key fob for this. So this instrument cluster is actually completely customizable. You can customize it from over here. And then so I will show you the fuel economy. So we did no towing currently, and then our fuel economy is showing is 15.7, and that was mostly on the highway. So it's actually really bad. And then on the 5.7, I believe it was close to 19. And you can also customize what you want to see. So I can do this, customize whatever I want to. This is really cool cluster over here. And then this interior, I mean, even though it's mostly plastic and cheap, with this overhead this better cluster, and then with this 8.4, it does easily make the interior look better compared to the competition, like the Toyota Tundra, the Ford F-150, and then even the Chevy Silverado and the GMC Sierra. So in that aspect, it is really good. You do have automatic headlight controls, which is not available in the Toyota either. Here are your climate controls. You have more storage down here and more storage in the glove box. And then since this is the single cab version, you have another seat. So this can also be used as a normal storage, But if you do this, then it turns into a seat for the third person. This does has rear view camera as well. You do have some storage back here, but you don't have that much storage. And if you are interested in behind this truck, it's on sale currently for $10K. We are located in Dallas, Texas, and you can call me at 469-714-7669. Hopefully you guys did like my video. Please do like and subscribe, and please do share. Thank you.